Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and inspiration for designing your perfect home. Today, we're diving into one of the most challenging yet rewarding areas to transform: small kitchen spaces. Whether you're dealing with a tight apartment kitchen or a compact corner in your home, maximizing space while keeping it stylish and functional is totally possible. Get ready for some incredible ideas that will help you achieve an organized, efficient kitchen without sacrificing style. Let's start with the basics: smart storage solutions. One of the best ways to maximize small kitchen spaces is with vertical storage. Consider adding open shelves or hanging racks to free up valuable counter space and keep frequently used items within easy reach. Drawer dividers and pull-out shelves are also perfect for organizing smaller items like utensils, spices, and condiments. Next, go for multi-functional furniture or appliances. A foldable table, for example, can serve as both an extra countertop and a dining area. Color can make a big difference too. Light colors like white, cream, or pastel shades open up the room, while glossy finishes or mirrors can reflect light, making the space feel larger. Finally, don't underestimate the power of under-cabinet lighting. It not only enhances visibility, but adds a warm, cozy ambiance, perfect for making a small space feel inviting. Thanks for watching. We hope these small kitchen organization ideas inspire you to create a space that's both beautiful and functional. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more home design tips. See you in the next video.